Rurals and buildings. Superstructure. It refers to part of the building above the ground floor. Baulis. They are large stepped wells. Shikhara. The topmost point of the temple. Arcuate. An architectural form in which weight of the superstructure above the doors and windows was sometimes carried by arches. Char Bagh, four gardens. Pista, the tall gateway. Diwan-e-Khas or Aam, the ceremonial hall of public and private audience. Exercise. Question number 1. State whether true or false. 1. We know the name of architect of the Rajarajeshwara temple from an inscription. True. Question number 2. How is tribate principle of architecture different from accurate? Answer. Point 1. In tribate style, the architecture roof, door and windows were made by placing a horizontal beam across two vertical columns, while in accurate of architecture, the weight of the superstructure above the doors and windows was carried by arches. 2. Tribute style of architecture were between the 17th and the 10th centuries, while accurate style of architecture were noticeable from the 12th century. Question number 2. What is Shikhara? Answer. Shikhara is the highest roof of the Hindu's temple. Question number 3. What is Petra Dura? Petra Dura is an architectural style in which colored hard stones placed in depression carved into marbles or sandstone, creating beautiful ornament patterns. Question number 4. What are element of Mughal Charbagh garden? Answer. Element of Mughal Charbagh garden were rectangular walked enclosure and divided into four quarters by artificial canals. Question number 5. How did temples communicate with the importance of a king? Answer. Point 1. Temples communicate the importance of a king as they were meant to demonstrate the power, wealth, and devotion of the patron. Point 2. The temple is a miniature model of the world ruled by the king and his allies. Question number 3. It helped the king to appear like a god as the king took the god's name because it was suspicious. Question number 6. What role did Yamuna play in the layout of new Mughal city Shahjahanabad? Answer. Point 1. The imperial palace commanded the front of river Yamuna in the new city Shahjahanabad in Delhi. Point 2. Only special favored nobles were given access to river. Point 3. All others had to construct their homes in city away from river Yamuna.